Good morning, El Paso. The time now, 6:47. Weather and traffic on the 7s. Now we are under an ABC-7 first alert because I am tracking a very hot day today, 105, so much hotter than it was yesterday. We are going to take a look at current conditions in the next few minutes, but I do want to get you up to speed. This is something that I've been watching since this weekend, the Saharan Deathstorm. I'm sure a lot of you already heard of it. It's now moving across the Atlantic Ocean. Now, this large plume of dust from Africa, of course, is moving through the Caribbean today. So air quality, of course, will be a concern, but it could provide some beautiful sunrises and sunsets with the air particles, and expected to move it to the Gulf of Mexico by midweek. So I'm going to stay on top of that for you guys. Pretty interesting stuff. So as we take it in just a little bit closer to our area, we are waking up to clear skies, breezy conditions, and a heat advisory, which will kick in at 8 o'clock for El Paso County, Doña Ana County. The heat will be a problem, so drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and so will patchy smoke. And this is all due to the wildfires that are in Arizona and parts of New Mexico. So that could be a concern for those of you that are sensitive, for sensitive groups. So avoid being outdoors because of the heat and the air quality from the wildfires. Currently, El Paso, we're clear skies, 88 degrees, 74, Las Cruces. So warm start to the day. There's that 105 that I'm forecasting with a record high to beat, 110, which was set back in 1981. It is dry out there, so we're not seeing any showers or thunderstorms. That's all going to change as we jump to Tuesday's forecast into Wednesday late in the day. This model here, updated version, does show around 6 o'clock. Could see some storms roll through here, which of course could produce strong wind gusts, blowing dust, and lightning. I think a little further west, the storms will be isolated, and the eastern half of our viewing zone likely accumulating the heaviest rainfall. So back to the heat. 105 for Socorro, Clint, Fabens, 106, 105 for Vinton and Horizon City. So area-wide, very hot across the region. 106 La Mesa, Chaparral also climbing to 104. So here's your 7-day forecast. As promised, a cold front will move in. That'll shave a few degrees off our afternoon high for Tuesday and Wednesday. We're still in the 90s, though, technically seasonal normals with that chance for rain at 20%. As we move through the rest of the day, I may be tweaking those numbers a bit. By the end of the week, hotter, drier, and it'll be hot and dry through the weekend.